Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show a simple way how you can add Aliexpress reviews to your Shopify website. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just scroll down below to the description and click on the link. When you will do it, you'll get on this site called Lsite. Lsite is an amazing company with a lot of widgets, and one of the widgets they make are Aliexpress reviews. So let's click sign up for free. Now we want to sign with a Facebook, Gmail, normal mail. It's up to you. And when you got it, click login. Right here, when you're going to be in applications, you want to write in search simply Aliexpress, and then you're gonna see here Aliexpress reviews. Let's create a widget. Right here we have options to go between carousel, grid, slider. I'm going to choose the normal reviews widget. Let's continue with the template. Right here you're gonna have URL. You can change the layout if you want to, and then you can like review style, and you can like delete review source. What you can do also is when you're gonna have the heading or filters, you can have only 5 reviews and then click save. Right after, you need to choose a plan. If you're starting out your website, go with the light version, but if you can have 5,000, 50 or 5 million views, go with a basic pro enterprise. Let's copy the code here, and now simply add a section on your Shopify edit, custom content, select, delete the content that you have here, add a content, custom HTML, and just paste the code here and change the content width to 100%. So this is pretty much it how you do it. So thank you very much everybody for watching. Again, if you have any questions, I'm really happy to help you. As I mentioned, you can like change the list to grid or to slider or masonry. And also I recommend guys definitely check other applications in Lsite, so we can get like all packs here. Like I don't know, Facebook feed, testimonial slider. It's really great because it's not going to, your site is going to be fast, you know? And that's great. That even when you use Lsite, because if you would add plenty of code to your website or plenty of like really bad applications, your site can be slow. But with Lsite, it's going to maintain the speed that you want. So yeah.